Hi, everyone. Here at SecureITsource, we're using Okta to help organizations modernize and simplify their identity programs. Let's take a quick look at the history of how challenges in identity have been addressed. First, organizations were on-premise, with no identity programs in place. Here, users logged into applications and servers using usernames and passwords that were managed by each system individually. At this point, the organizations didn't have any visibility into their systems for management and governance, and there were no standards in place around identity. Next, organizations started introducing tools like Active Directory between their users and applications. Credentials were now stored in Active Directory, but users still needed to log into each application individually. For servers, the credentials were still stored and managed on the servers themselves. As the industry continued to evolve, organizations started to move some of their operations to the cloud. While using the cloud made service and infrastructure management more affordable and flexible, for identity, things were still basically the same as on-premise. As software as a service applications became more prevalent, the situation became more complex. Customers were not on the organization's network, but wanted access to both on-premise and cloud-based data and services. Meanwhile, the customer credentials were stored and managed on the SaaS applications, and different processes were being developed for workforce and customer identities. This led to a number of different solutions for managing privileged access, APIs, and workforce and customer identities. While the increasing complexity of their environments drove organizations to standardize their approaches to managing identities and access, their solutions still weren't unified and coherent as a whole. Here's where Okta comes in. SecureITsource helps organizations use Okta as a platform to simplify and unify their identity programs across the board, bringing together workforce users, customers, partner businesses, and APIs all in one place. Whether using the Okta integration network for pre-built connectors to thousands of applications, tools like Advanced Server Access for connecting to servers, or the Okta Access Gateway for connecting to legacy on-premise applications, Okta allows organizations to apply industry standards quickly and effectively across their identity programs, unifying their organizations and fortifying them to continue to grow in the future.